Okay, friends, main dining room, night 2 on Quantum of the Seas. It's Mexican night, so we have a pulled pork enchilada, some rice, and pinto beans. I didn't get a starter because I'm already super full, but you know me, I do not miss a dinner in the main dining room. So here we go. Perfect night to wear all white, I know, with all this saucy food. We are going to try not to have spills. Pulled pork enchilada first, because you know what I need? I need more sour cream. Let me find my friend. So here's the inside of the enchilada. So it's got pork, rice, and it's really good, seasoned very well, but I want more sour cream. Okay, back with some sour cream. It's about to go down. Because this enchilada, I had to be real patient and wait on the sour cream because it is good. It is pork, so if you're not a pork eater, more for me, because I am. Yes, I love some sour cream. Let's try the beans. Beans and rice. The rice is whatever, but the beans are really seasoned really well. Rice is rice, you can't really mess it up. But 10 out of 10 on the pork enchilada, I would recommend. So, progress check on dinner. So, obviously, enchilada and beans cleared. I love some rice, and I am patiently waiting for my dessert. So, the dessert is here. I got the apple crisp with a side of vanilla ice cream. And so, let me show you what I like to do. I've had this before. It's one of my favorite desserts. I like to... Hold on. I like to take the ice cream and put it in here. It's just a little dollop of ice cream. Okay, put it on my apple crumble and then let the heat of the apple crumble melt it. It's so good, guys. So good. I mashed it all together. You can tell I've been here before. Act like you've been here before, folks. Okay. So now we have the ice cream. This container's hot. Got the cold ice cream, a hot apple cobbler. This is going to hit, friends. It is going to hit. Going in for bite one. Got the apple and the ice cream. I don't know that this is really Mexican or like Mexican night. I would have liked a churro or something like that, because World Caribbean does do good churros, but we'll take it. So good. The apple, cinnamon, the ice cream, and the hot and cold. Always 10 out of 10. So, this might be my last meal for tonight. No promises. I'm at the 5 o'clock dinner, so I'll probably have a snack. So it won't be my last meal. But let me know down in the comments, do you do the main dining room? And if you do, what is your favorite meal in the main dining room?